The Volkswagen 1.9 Tdi is an engine that earned legendary status among car enthusiasts, mechanics, and everyday drivers alike. First introduced in the early 1990s, this diesel engine quickly became known for three things: reliability, fuel efficiency, and long-term durability. What made the 1.9 Tdi special was its simple but effective design. It used turbocharging and direct injection, which gave it excellent fuel economy while still delivering strong torque. That meant good performance without sacrificing longevity. What made the 1.9 Tdi special was its simple but effective design. It used turbocharging and direct injection, which gave it excellent fuel economy while still delivering strong torque. That meant good performance without sacrificing longevity. Many owners report 1.9 Tdis running well past 400,000 kilometers, sometimes even more, with basic maintenance. Oil changes, timing belts, and regular care were usually all it needed. The 1.9 Tdi was used across the entire Volkswagen Group lineup. You could find it in the Volkswagen Golf, Jetta, Passat, Audi A3 and A4, as well as models from Skoda and Seat. This wide use proved just how versatile and dependable the engine really was. The VW 1.9 Tdi came in many versions, each with its own character. The ALH was known for simplicity and long life, while the PD engines like the ARL and ASZ offered more power and tuning potential. Earlier rotary pump variants focused on economy, while later models improved torque and performance. Despite their differences, all versions shared the same core traits: durability, efficiency, and the ability to cover massive mileage with proper care. Many enthusiasts still prefer these engines today. As this video comes to an end, the VW 1.9 Tdi stands as proof that great engineering doesn't need to be complicated. Across its many versions, it delivered reliability, efficiency, and trust to millions of drivers worldwide. Whether stock or tuned, daily driven or heavily worked, this engine earned its legendary status through real-world performance. Long after production ended, the 1.9 Tdi continues to be respected, remembered, and driven every single day.